Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore payment methods in PayPal after credit card replacement, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore payment methods in PayPal after your credit card has been replaced, start by logging into your PayPal account. Navigate to the Wallet section located at the top of the page. In the Wallet section, you will see a list of your existing payment methods. Look for the option that indicates adding a new card or updating existing information. Click on Link a new card or select the card that needs to be updated. Enter the new card information, including the card number, expiration date, and security code. Make sure the billing address matches the address associated with your new card. After entering your details, click on Save to confirm the changes. If prompted, follow any verification steps to confirm your identity or the new card. Once your card is added, check the status to ensure it is verified and active. You can set the new card as your primary payment method by selecting it in your wallet. To do this, click on the card and choose the option to set it as the primary payment method. After updating your payment methods, test the new card by making a small purchase. Keep an eye out for any emails or notifications from PayPal about your updated payment settings. If you encounter any issues during this process, refer to the PayPal Help Center for further assistance. With these steps, your payment methods in PayPal should now be successfully restored. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.